Yo guys, what's up? Investing Money Man here. How's it going? GE made a big announcement today in my last video I just posted, the daily options trade. GE mentioned that they're going to do a reverse 8-for-1 split. I am not on board with that whatsoever. You can see here, this is my E-Trade portfolio. You can see I have a bunch of stocks here. I'm doing okay for most of them. I can see I've got some profits. GE, I bought at 11 and a quarter. It was a while ago. So I'm going to take some profits here. I'm going to dump the GE stock. I'm out. I'm not super awesome pleased with that decision by GE. I know it hasn't been approved by shareholders yet, but it's probably going to be. I don't see why it wouldn't be. I might hold on to a little bit. I think I'm just going to dump it. It's going to sell. Going to go for a market order. It's fine. Preview. Just dumping it. I'm out. Sorry, GE. Made me a little money, but I can't do it. You can see I have a little bit of an account value here. It's 29, 30, almost 30K.